So our guys walked around the dock, and here you'll see him, he's trying to coach his boys into how to get the boat off the truck, as this is about attempt number 4, and for whatever reason they can't get it off. And our guy's gonna walk back into the truck and try and back this one off again, but here's the reality. I don't think his coaching job is gonna help a whole lot, because I'm still missing one key thing. I've not seen them unhook the bow eye at the front of the boat, and I'm guessing that's probably the issue. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that's the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here at Point Marina. So our guy's gonna back it up one more time. Got his boys on the lines. But they're pulling, and this boat is not coming. It is not budging one bit trying to get off this trailer. So our guy's gonna get out of the truck, kind of assess the situation one more time. And closes the door, I guess, so maybe we're not getting out of the truck. And we're gonna pull forward a little bit on this one. And back in park we go. So he's walking toward the front of the boat. Maybe we'll figure it out this time. Yep, there we go. Bow eye still attached. Problem is about to be solved. This was literally like the 3rd or 4th attempt, and they just figured it out. Our crew's approaching the dock. Cap, I feel like he's coming in a little hot. We go up for the line toss, and we've got the assist on the dock, though. And I can't, what is he trying to do with the line? So he's gonna come around the pole now, but Cap's still in forward gear. They're going for a stern line. He's dropped both. Now both lines are in the water. Somebody else grabs the boat, and the crew will get it pulled over. But man, that was a lot going on in a short period of time. I thought they had the easy layup. Our guy just went for the toss and tossed the line to the guy on the dock, and there we go. They give it back to him again. That was kind of the toss of anger. Our guy doesn't look very happy that he was down in the water grabbing the lines. But they'll walk it back, and they've kicked the bow off again, but I guess they're just trying to move it further back on the dock. And oh, a guy gets on the boat, almost falls over. And we got to go for a leap on the last second. I guess it was just a pick up and go, but that's a wild way to do it. So coming in on approach, got Cap at the helm, his lady helping him out. Oh, they smacked that one. And a double crack back right there. He just pulled it tight just a little too soon, and the boat just bounced back hard onto the dock. And now there's a little conversation going on about the lines. Ooh, she does not look happy. And now neither one looks happy. So our crew's making their approach. Our girl in the bandana giving some instructions, but the crew's out here just trying to have a good time. And Cap makes the hard turn in. Quick brake check. And doesn't like the approach, and he's gonna back out on this one. So here we go, attempt number 2. We've got our girl in the bow ready on the lines. Let's see if Cap can land it this time. They appear at least to be taking the slow roll approach this time. Kind of getting a little wonky here at the end. Has to back out one more time on it. It just didn't line up right for him. And our girl in the bow is looking back at Captain, and she's giving him some instructions now as well. And I think she's not very pleased with the the 2 approaches we've had so far. So here we go, attempt number 3. I mean, at least we've got a good pace this time. She's telling Cap to slow down a little bit. Cap's going to probably have to brake check this one, so she might want to hang on for a second. And there we go. They grab the poles. She stumbles out of the boat for a second, but things look okay, and this crew will get it on. Man, Cap's coming in a little hot on this dock. And our guy on the gunnel hanging onto the tower. Better hang on tight. Goes for the step off. Grabs the line. Walks it over, but the stern's going to kick out. And I think the motor turned off, so Cap's running up, trying to do the grab here. I don't know if he turned the engine off or it just went dead. I can't tell, but it doesn't look like it's on again. So Cap's ran up. His other crewmate on the backside's grabbing a line off the stern, and they'll get this one pulled around as well. But we've seen a lot of that the last couple days down here at Black Point. Just hard kickouts, man. These guys come in, heavy bow approach, and the next thing we know, they hit on the dock, and that stern just wants to kick around to the port side and almost 360 the boat. But like so many, they've been able to get it pulled back together. Cap comes up on the approach, kicks it out with the brake check, sends the stern back out like we've seen so many people do, as we already mentioned. And his girl's going up front to get the lines on the ready. Easily gets the kick back around, but we've got no lines out, no fenders out. But Cap seems to be in a good spot. The boat just wants to hold right there, which is kind of strange for Black Point, especially on a windy day like today. But Cap's going to leave the helm, go for the pole grab. And we'll finally get some lines, but this is a strange one. The line's attached up at the bow, and they're carrying it all the way back to the mid. He's going to get the stern line out as well. But that'll be enough for them to get it wrapped up, and they'll be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.